Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be discussing a package called YAD. Now YAD stands for Yet Another Dialog, and so let me show you what it does. It gives you a dialog box, and you can make this into whatever you want it to be. You can put in text, you could put in HTML, you could use images, you could use it as an image viewer, even a file picker. The options are limitless. And so what you see here is my key bindings list for Hyperland. I decided to make this in YAD because Hyperland does not have what Awesome WM has, and that is a key bindings list. It was something I really appreciated in Awesome WM, and I wanted to have it in Hyperland as well. Now that I know how to do it, I'll be using this in the future for whatever other window managers I decide to want to go to. So let me show you by example of what I did in my dialog box. The first thing I did in Hyperland was I set window rules for YAD. I set it to float, I set the size to 1280 by 750, and I set it center. The next thing I did was I made a bind, and I set it equal to main mod S, which is basically the super key S, and when you press it, it executes this command here. And so the command is YAD --HTML less than sign, and then the path to my HTML file -- button equals OK:0. And so the reason why you have this button variable is so that way you can get rid of the cancel button, because by default it has a cancel button and an OK button. Ideally, I would not want either button, but if I had to choose, I'd rather have the OK button than have the OK button and the cancel button. And so as the command states, I am using HTML for my key bindings list. So what I did was I made a file called keybindings.html. I centered everything. I made the background black. I made the font Open Dyslexic Nerd font. I made the table border 1, and then I made my TR style white, and I started adding labels. I added general, move windows, switch workspaces. And then in my TD styles, I put the color was white, the text aligned to center, and then vertical align was middle. And then I started setting the text for all my key bindings. And I broke every line because I wanted them on separate lines. And so I created a TD for every TH. And then I went on the next line of the table, created another TR, set the THs to move focus, resize windows, and move to workspace. And then I set up more TDs of nothing but key bindings. You know, just your basic table in HTML. And if you like what you saw, you're more than welcome to go to my dot files on GitHub. I have both my Hyperland configuration and my keybindings.html. So that way you can see the key binding as well as the HTML that I created for this. And with that, we have come full circle. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video.